Hey there, everybody. This is Marybeth Angelelli, and welcome back. Let me tell you, and let me begin by first stating how super excited I am. Today is actually the day that we have literally all been waiting for inside of our amazing community, the digital growth community. This evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to be hosting our webinar, and it's going to be our launch webinar. We have 3 brand new products we're getting ready to release. So depending upon what product or products that you own in our other program, you're going to be able to get access to these grandfathered in, and this is worth $1,000 worth of products, these 3, and you can get them for only $29 if you have one of our other products, one or more. Now our other products are $50, $150, $300, and $600. So here's how it's going to play out. If you happen to have our Elite, which is our $150 product in the other program, you're going to get the Launchpad, which is our brand new $100 program for just $29. In our other program, if you're at the Pro, which is a $300 level, you're going to get the Launchpad, which is the 100, and you're going to get the brand new Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, the brand new $300 product. Now, if you are all in at the premium level in our other program, you are going to get the Launchpad, which is the brand new 100, the Passive Daily Blueprint, which is the brand new 300, and the Digital Mastery, which is the brand new $600 digital product. So all 3 of these, you do some simple math, 100 plus 300 plus 600 equals $1,000 worth of products for only $29. But you have to move fast and you have to act fast on this because we are getting ready to launch. So I just wanted to let you know that. If you've been watching this, if you've been looking at this from the outside in and sitting and just waiting and kind of twiddling your thumbs, sitting on the fence, folks, you absolutely need to get off the fence. You need to get right in, folks, so that you can get these brand new products for only $29. Because in addition to these products with resale rights, where you're going to be able to get to keep 100% of the profits, you're going to get these products. You're going to get our Done For You funnels, the full email automations, the websites, and the resale rights. I am so excited. These 3 products were created by Michelle, who earned over $1 million with our other products in just 17 months. So we're going to be taking you on an amazing, amazing journey as we move into 2024 and beyond. And I personally would love nothing more than to have you join us and be part of this amazing journey with us as we are getting ready to go down in history and make internet history in this digital space. You just watch and see how we are going to be continuing to change so many more lives. Right now, we have like 12,000 members, thereabouts. Give or take, inside of our amazing digital growth community, and it has been explosive. We have been growing at an unprecedented rate, okay, and we're just going to continue to explode this. I mean, this is just so exciting. Oh, there you are, folks. Look, right now, at the time of this recording, 12,300 members, digital growth community. So I can't make this stuff up, folks. This community is just growing by leaps and bounds. We have a classroom, and inside of these brand new products, it's going to be interactive. So we're going to all come together and we're going to be able to connect. We're going to be able to mastermind. We're going to be able to have a wonderful, super engaging, super interactive community. These products are just going to continue to help people to not only reach their goals and their dreams, but exceed them and just go on to do some amazing, amazing things. Okay, so wherever you are, whatever your goals are, if you plug in, folks, and if you are coachable, if you follow the training, you show up every single day, you use these products, okay, you are going to be able to go on and do some amazing things. That's all I can tell you. Okay, so it is so exciting. This is the amazing community. Everything is here. We're going to give this to you. It's going to be at your disposal, at your fingertips. This is all the latest and greatest updates on our launch. I'm just going to click on this. Everything is going to be right here, folks, and this is all videos showing you exactly what is going to be taking place, the updates, all of this, launching the Legacy Builder, the difference, between the programs, the sneak peek of the website, we're launching this evening, the 28th of March, Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern. I'm going to drop the link below in the description. So this is the link that you're going to go to register so that you can be on this webinar live in the moment tonight. Okay. So I'm also putting my website below. If you don't have one of our products, this is what you have to do first to get into this amazing community. And as you can see, $29 access. So once you get into this community, this is where you're going to go and you'll get all the latest and greatest, the updates as we release them. So here's the community right here. Okay, here's all of the great exciting news. So once you get in here, you can go ahead and review everything, and all the latest and greatest is always at the top, the pinned posts. Okay, so you see right now we have like 3 pinned posts. So once you get in here, this is where you want to go first and foremost. Now let me just show you. The wins have just been absolutely explosive, especially this week. Look at this, folks. $5,000 in 8 days, $600 ding on my way home from work, a ding a day. Look at this, over $3,000 day again today, 1,500 on my live, 140 leads went into my system today. Look at this, 25,000 for the month so far. Wow. 650, on the launch call. First $600 ding, $2,400 day, 6K in 1 day, a taste of daily pay. Another $300 came in at my full-time job. Another $600 sale last night while I was shopping. $2,300 in a week. First sale, $600 on the Zoom call tonight. That was our Zoom call last night. Another $2,000 day. Okay. Look at this ding, 4,500 in 8 days. Can you imagine? This is life-changing results. This is life-changing potential, folks. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that, $3,150, $3,150 in just 24 hours. $650 today. This was actually me right here, folks. $650 today. This is what I had come in actually yesterday. Okay. Look at this. Before I even woke up, $900, $1,200 day. Look at this, a ding. Good old $300 to $600 upgrade. Another $300 ding while setting up my Stripe payment buttons. Okay, look at this, $300. And it just goes on and on and on. We have, thousands of people in this amazing community, as you can clearly see right here. Classroom has all of our wonderful education. There's so much value and content. I cannot say enough of good things about what Michelle has put together. And I am so grateful, as so many others. We have thousands of people in this amazing community. I know what this has done for me in a relatively short period of time. I see what it's doing for so many people. And you don't need any special skills, education. You don't need a following. You don't need to be technical. We're going to literally be giving you everything you need. 3 additional products so you can have yourself 7 income streams. We're going to give you the funnels, done for you funnels, done for you email automations, the done for you websites, and the resale rates. So no more settling for small little dinky commissions. You're going to get 100% of the commission. So imagine if you only sold 1 new product a day, and if you had all 3 new products, that would be $1,000 a day potential. Plus you could be making up to $600 or more on the other 4 products, folks. So, the sky's the limit. That's all I can tell you. Of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. Nobody can do that. We don't know what you're going to do once everything is provided to you and given over to you, and you're going to have full access to this. None of us, including myself, know your work ethic. But, you have to focus. You have to show up every single day. Treat this like a real business, because it is a real business, and it can become your new real business that can forever change your life. Okay, the potential is here. I can't make this up, folks. People all over the world are winning. Okay, so if your mind is clouded with doubts, you need to stop that stinking thinking, folks, and just dissolve those doubts and fears, folks, because this is for those who are serious, those are who action takers, and you see what it's doing for so many people. I can't make this stuff up, folks. It works if you work it, if you show up and put forth your 2 hours a day. We follow a 2-hour work day. So this is the community, folks. I just wanted to take you inside, give you a sneak peek and preview. This is the calendar where we have all of our events. So once you get in here, you'll know what's happening every single day. We have Zooms all week long, webinars, trainings, tech Zooms, mentoring, the whole 9 yards. Absolutely nothing is missing. This is the classroom. You know, you look at it this way with this scenario. You pay thousands of dollars to go to college, to get a degree. Many people go into debt doing that. You are put into this community. You're given these products, which are super affordable, folks, for so much less than the cost of a college education. And people that do that go into debt, folks. So they come out of college with, debt up to here, folks, and they are stressed to the max when they have to start paying that debt off. So you're getting these new products. The highest level at the other program is $600. It's our premium level package. And if you're at the premium, you're going to be given $1,000 worth of products if you take fast action, because again, we're getting ready to launch tonight. So you have to be all in prior to that, and then you're going to be getting access to this for just the $29. So it's super time sensitive. I wanted to come in here, get the word out, spread the good news, because I'm so excited. I'm so excited for so many people, especially the new people that are just going to be coming into this for the first time. I mean, you do not know what you have. You really don't. And it's just going to be absolutely spectacular. We're going to continue to change lives. And it is the best feeling in the world. Okay? So everything is here, folks. The community, all the latest and greatest, the classroom with all of the training. This is exactly what you're going to be getting, plus your new products. And then just so much more is going to continue to be added over time, over the next, several weeks, several months, and well into the new year. Okay, so it's all here. So let me just show you so that you can see that this absolutely works, and what I was able to do in the last 2 days. Okay, because I shared with you other proof, folks, but I was able to generate $2,000 in the last 2 days. Okay, so here we are here. Before I close out, let me just show you so that you know that I'm not just, making up fluff here. There's, $600 right there. There's another $600 that came in for me. Okay, 150, 50, and 600 last night, folks. So simple math, that tallies up to $2,000, folks. So, it's possible. Okay, the sky's the limit. This is an amazing place to be. This is the link, Daily Pay with Marybeth.com. This is where you're going to go. And you're going to enter your email address, and then you will be on my email list. You'll look for that very first email from me to you. It's going to be coming from my email automations. It's going to say, here is your blueprint, but I'm going to be getting ready to be sending out a special email invite to the webinar tonight. But I'm also going to drop the link to this very website so that you can test it out, see the flow of it. It's absolutely amazing. We're going to be having brand new websites that we're releasing as soon as these products go live this evening. So stay tuned for those. And I'm going to drop the link to the webinar 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, Thursday, March the 28th. I'd love to see you on there. It's going to be jam-packed. So you're going to want to try to get on a little bit early, like say 5 minutes early, 10 minutes early, to ensure that you get a spot, because it's going to be packed out. Okay, it's going to be packed to the max. So make sure you're on it. If you're serious, you want to change your life, folks, there's never been a better time. There's never been a better place. This is it, folks. You are in the right place at the right time. Consider yourself very fortunate, very blessed, just like I do, because we are already going to be just going down and making and changing this wonderful digital space, folks. Okay, we're going to be turning the digital world upside down. You just wait and see. You wait and see. If you don't believe me, folks, I don't want you to miss out, because it will be too late, especially if you want to get all in for the $29. Okay? So time is of the essence. The clock is ticking. It is go time, and I look forward to seeing you inside today, inside of this amazing community. Hope to see you on the webinar tonight, and see you at the top. This is Marybeth Angelelli. Any questions that you might have, I'm dropping my personal contact details below too. If you're serious, you need anything, text or call me. By far, best way to reach me. Here's my website. This has been converting amazingly well. Can't wait to see what the new websites do. This has had about an average a 50% conversion rate. So what does that mean? We have proven that 1 out of every 20 people that have come in and have willingly entered their email address into this funnel have converted over time into paid sign-up. So that's incredibly high, folks. It's incredibly high. And not to mention, there are no monthly fees or no monthly expenditures with this amazing opportunity. That is the beauty of this system. You're not trading time for dollars. We're going to teach you how to do this, to work smarter, not harder, and get your income producing activity successfully completed in just 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day to daily pay, folks. And we're going to show you how to build an email list, how to collect emails because emails equal currency. And we're going to teach you how to create content that is relatable, content that your perfect customer is going to be able to resonate with you, because your content is going to become your real estate, and content equals currency. It's going to be an amazing journey. And I want to welcome you in advance to the team, to my team, and just look forward to seeing you inside and welcoming you with open arms. Today can be the first day of your brand new life. We're going to take you on an amazing journey to transformation. So irregardless of what is plaguing you right now, what your problem is, this can become your solution, folks. If you are experiencing debt, doesn't matter what kind of debt, if you're tired of going to your job, if you don't have enough of time with your family, with your children, if you're missing out on those precious moments, folks, you can learn to become your own CEO, your own boss, and truly the master of your own destiny. But you can't be afraid to take action, folks. Those that are sitting on the sidelines, they're going to be left behind. They're going to be left behind. They're going to be kicking themselves. They're going to wish that they seen the potential here and that they got started. So every day that you do not get started, folks, you are missing out on this opportunity. And every day that you're missing out on this opportunity is a missed day for income potential. Let's just get you going today, folks. And you can thank me later, folks. See you soon. See you at the top. Bye for now.